Number 3, square roots. The square of 4 is 16. Going the other direction, we say that the square root of 16 is 4. So square root is this sign. So you put the number you want to do square root inside equals to 4. This is the mathematical formation. Please note we define the square root of a number to be non-negative number, just for now. So we want to explain this a little bit. For example, we have a form in exponent. We all know this, right? 3 squared, which is a 9. And what is a square root? Square root is actually 9 to the exponent of 1/2. So this is basically what a square root is. So 9 is actually 3 to the exponent of 2. Then you have 1/2 on the outside. Okay, square root is always the exponent of 1/2. This is just basically the definition. So how do we carry this one out? Exponent, we don't do addition. We only do multiplication. Okay, this is exponent on the outside of a bracket. So you have a base of 3, exponent of 2, multiply 1/2. So this would give you 3 to the exponent of 1, which is 3. Let's go back to this one. Square root of 16, mathematically, is 16 to the exponent of 1/2. This is simply the definition of a square root, okay? Exponent of 1/2. So we change the base. The base is 4 to the exponent of 2. Then you have 1/2 on the outside. Remember, exponent on the outside of a bracket, we only do multiplication, okay? So 4 to the 2 multiply 1/2. This is a 1, so that's a 4. Okay, so we have 2 examples here. One thing I want to stress here is we did multiplication of the 2 exponents. Under what condition we do addition? We just want to distinguish the 2 cases. If we have 4 squared multiply 4 squared. This one is 2 4s multiplied together. This one is also 2 4s multiplied together. Then we have 4 to the power of 4, as if you are collecting 2 plus 2, okay? This actually, for multiplication, you do addition. In this case, this so happens to be the same. If I do 4 to the power of 3 multiply 4 to the power of 9. So we do 4 to the power of 3 plus 9, not 3 multiply 9, okay? But on the other hand, if we have 4 to the power of 3 exponent of 9, this would be 9 of what's inside multiplying together. 4 to the 3 multiply 4 to the 3 multiply 4 to the 3 all the way multiply 4 to the 3. 2, 3, 4, 9 of these. Okay, then we're collecting them. It's 4 to the, there are 9 of the 3's, right? So that's a 27. So as if you do multiplication of this form. So remember, what I have here, exponent, you do multiplication in this form. But if you do multiplication of the 2 exponents, remember this should be addition of the 2 exponents.